The sirens are screaming. Your phone flashes a single word, incoming. You have no weapons. No training. Just your instincts. And exactly 2 minutes to survive a missile strike. This isn't a video game. This is what you do if today is real. A missile travels faster than sound. By the time you hear it, it might already be above you. Whether it's a conventional warhead or a nuclear blast. The destruction isn't just fire, it's pressure waves, flying metal, deadly silence. But survival? It starts with your first 10 seconds. First move. No panic, just action. Your job to put as much material between you and the blast as possible. Run to a basement, parking garage, or any solid structure. No time for elevators. No open windows. No curiosity. If you're caught outside, drop flat behind the thickest wall, curb, or ditch. Cover your ears. Keep your mouth open. Why? Because blast pressure can shatter your lungs from the inside. The 60-second shield. Every second counts. Grab anything, a mattress, door, fridge, and place it between you and potential debris. You're not hiding. You're absorbing impact and protecting your vital organs, chest, head, gut. And don't just lie still. Curl up, stay small, be invisible to chaos. Nuclear nightmare. If it's nuclear, the real horror begins after the blast. Radioactive fallout. It's invisible. It's deadly. And it can float in the air for miles. Stay indoors, seal windows with wet towels. Tape up door cracks. Turn off ventilation. No rainwater. No open food. One mistake could be your last breath. The go bag. Be smart before disaster. Your survival kit should already be packed. 3L water. Canned food. Flashlight. First aid kit. Dust mask. Battery radio. Power bank. Basic meds. In war, the prepared survive. The rest panic. Remember this. You don't need to be brave. You need to be ready. Missiles won't wait. Neither should you. If you've watched this far, you've already taken the first step to survival. Now, share this video. Because the world is fragile, and the clock is always ticking. That's all it takes. To die, or to live.